Hey guys, this is Aaron of the company Carbon Fabrik, and in this video I will show you how to install our 3D black gloss and silver Audi rings on A3 S3 and RS3 Facelift. Those look much better than the original 2D Audi rings with the grey inlay or the white inlay. Also, we will show you how to install the RS3 badge to make your RS3 the proper RS3. So to begin with, we need to remove the lock carrier. In order to do that, we twist the handle to the open position and insert a small prying tool to remove the clips on the back. After that, we will remove the 6 top clips by inserting a screwdriver and prying them out to the top. Then remove the part from the car. Now we are going to remove the emblem carrier, which is held in by 4 screws as well as 2 clips. The screws are Torx 20 and you just loosen them from behind and afterwards pry out the emblem carrier to the front. Once removed, on the back of the carrier you will find 10 clips which you need to loosen to remove the Audi rings from the carrier. The top left and the top right clip are very hard to loosen, and it's very likely that you will break the Audi rings or any of the clips while removing it, which is not a problem since we want to get rid of that anyways. Clean the emblem carrier with the included cleaning cloth and wipe it dry with a microfiber towel. Afterwards, take the Audi rings, remove the plastic backing and glue them right on the emblem carrier. It's best to start on the left or the right corner and simply place it inside of it. Once that is done, you can reassemble it in reverse order. To install the RS3 badge, first take the cleaning cloth from the packaging and clean the section which is shown in the video. The clip is installed in the marked area. Make sure when installing to only press on the lower edge on the front as well as the edge on the rear with your left hand. There is quite some force necessary to push it in, but that is normal and desirable since we don't want to lose the badge afterwards. Now remove all 3 adhesive backings on the RS3 badge and place the RS3 badge centered onto the clip. Then press it in with your thumb from the front, but make sure to press against it from behind with your finger. Our car was already rebadged, but for the sake of this video we will rebadge it again. Clean the area above the Audi logo. Use masking tape above the Audi emblem, but leave a gap of 1 to 2 millimeters on the top. This is because the pre-facelift Audi rings, which we are using, are a little bit bigger than the facelift rings. Mark the center of the Audi rings and not the individual rings. Now use silicone remover, degreaser or glue remover and spray it on that area. Then use the fishing line to cut off the emblem. Make sure not to use any hard solvents. No thinners, no acetone, nothing. Just degreaser or glue remover. The glue remover or degreaser is not included in the package. Once the Audi rings are removed, make sure the area is dry and then use the rubber remover with a cordless drill. Make sure to only be at low RPMs and do not apply extensive pressure. It is important in this step that you do not bring in too much pressure, because otherwise there is a risk of damaging the paint. Once most of the glue is removed, we will again use glue remover or degreaser with a microfiber towel to clean up the area. After that, you can polish the area if you want to, However, make sure to degrease the surface again once you polished, so that we get a good adhesion. Now take the Audi emblem, but this time place it centered and right underneath the masking tape to make up for the size difference between facelift and pre-facelift. Now we move on to the RS3 badge. For the RS3 emblem, it's the same procedure like on the Audi rings. Remove it using degreaser or glue remover and the fishing line. Afterwards, dry it up and remove the rest with the rubber remover. Then use glue remover again or degreaser. For the RS3 badge, as we don't have any point of reference on the facelift, use the included alignment tool. Place it on the left side of the trunk, preferably while it's closed, and then align the bottom edge of the alignment tool with the crease line that you see on the trunk as well as on the bumper. Once the alignment tool is on, remove the adhesive backing of the RS3 badge and place it right into the corner of the alignment tool. Press it on and you're done.